Alright, well hello again YouTube. AJ Shaver from Shaver Sales here again. And it is February in Northeast PA, and we just keep getting coated over with little dustings of snow here and there. So I've got a couple of things running. And today's video is going to be more prepping for the next video. I have a whole semi-truckload of SplitForce stuff coming in. So we've got HWP 150s, 140s, 120s, and the brand new 100 TR with the Honda motors on it. We've actually got two of those coming in, so we have plenty of video out there with the other three models going, but this new trailer mounted one from Halverson is brand new to the market. I don't think there's any videos out there. There's definitely no specs and things, because I just got off the phone with Glenn himself to go over a couple of things just so I could have information for this video for you, the customer, to learn about. So gonna do a couple of things here to get prepped. We got Splitzilla. We want to get that all put away because we're going to stage everything over here to my right, your left, and move the heavy, bigger poplar wood. We had some trees cut down here on the wood lot just to get more sun, and we're going to use that specifically for like our campfire bundles. I don't like mixing poplar in with the regular hardwoods because poplar is kind of not really a hardwood, but it burns real nice for the campfires and the bundles. I got the gooseneck shoveled out, so we're going to use that for running the processors back and forth from our unloading location back to the woodlot. And I got the Chevy de-icing because we have that roll-up tonneau cover on the back of it. It's frozen, so we're dealing with that. So it is what it is. It's a February afternoon. It's about 20 degrees. Going to get down about 14 tonight. That's why I'd rather get this stuff done today, and we'll go from there. All right, so I have the little suitcase generator here, and we're powering, if I can get this to open, little torpedo heater because we had all ice going across the top of the cover. It's a nice cover, but it wouldn't roll up with the ice on it, so just a little heating process here. And once it's all defrosted, we'll go ahead and hook it up to the gooseneck trailer.